Hi, I'm Nichelle Aiden at the Capitol with Connor to talk about House Bill 101 and distracted driving. Can you tell us about the bill?
So this is a bill we've seen before. It was almost verbatim released last year. So House Bill 101 basically says that you have to only use your hands-free device and nothing else. You can't tap a phone number. You basically have to use Siri or something like that. Otherwise, it's a criminal consequence. You can get pulled over by a law enforcement officer. So the idea, the goal, obviously, is driver safety, safety on the roads. But the current mechanism of the bill is to basically just prohibit anything other than using your phone in a hands-free way.
Okay, and why is Libertas against this bill?
So we've been against it in the past because of the concern with criminalizing people who haven't necessarily caused any harm. It's an unwise thing to do, certainly. It's not a good idea to be using your phone. But then again, I can have a Tesla, which has a screen 5 times bigger than a phone, and be tapping all sorts of buttons, and that would be legal under this bill, but using my phone in the line of sight of driving is not. So, the part of the additional problem is very, very few, I think it's under 5% of vehicle accidents and fatalities are a result from distracted driving through phones. If you look at all the reasons why a lot of these accidents are happening, using a cell phone is very low. And so they're focusing on this and then criminalizing a lot of people who, yeah, they're being stupid for maybe sending a quick text or maybe dictating something and then fixing one little typo before they send. That's not a good idea. But if no one's driving around you at all, there's no cars anywhere, and you're being a little bit cautious, it's still unwise. But is it criminal? Is it a reason for an officer to pull you over? Maybe find other things in your car? Maybe do civil asset forfeiture because you've got $200 on the front seat and they take that. It just gives an opening and an opportunity for the government to cause people even more problem without really the justification being there, in our view.
Okay, great. For more information or to contact your legislator, just click on the link in the description below.